Trying to fix my little curlies here. I love my curlies, you know, but they be stubborn sometimes. What up, everybody? So I know I haven't done a video in a couple months, but today I'm back at you with a lash video. So I did my makeup. I want to finish it up with lashes. Like, if you're doing like a bold eye, something smoky, you always need lashes. Lashes is like a finishing touch. Lashes is like the little sprinkle to your makeup. So if you guys want to learn how to apply your lashes and make sure that it's not flopping off in the middle of the night where you're dancing fucking banda or fucking dancing and you're sweating and shit and that's just coming off, that's not gonna happen. Okay, so I'm gonna go over the supplies you need to apply lashes the most easy way and to make sure that they're gonna stay on the whole night. Okay, so first up is lashes. Who would have thought? So this is a cool new pack that I got from Altitude Lashes. If you guys follow me, you know that I'm always repping this brand. So awesome. One of my friends actually is a creator of this brand. If you guys haven't tried it, you should definitely try it. I got this deal. I don't really remember. I think it was like 27 bucks for 5 lashes. That's a great deal. I got it on Black Friday, so I got a deal on it. But these are so bomb. Let me see. There you go. So I have a couple different styles. I think I want to wear these here just because I want my eyeshadow to show through. So those are kind of like chunky, so like they're kind of separated, so you'll be able to see my shadow. So I'm gonna use those. I want the lashes to stay on the whole night. You don't want to worry about them at all. The best lash glue to use, this is the House of Lashes glue. So it comes in a brush like this. So it's super cool. You could just kind of brush it on. It dries clear. When you put it on, it kind of looks bluish green, but it dries clear. I honestly wouldn't wear this every day because it stays. So like if you're gonna be using it every day, you'll have like little chunks of glue on your lashes. This is like Vegas proof. Second thing you're gonna need is gonna be tweezers. Tweezers are nice. If you have nails, you don't really need tweezers, but tweezers are nice. They kind of help. They do help to just kind of adjust and kind of get in there a little bit more than your fingers. You're gonna need some baby scissors just to cut, depending on your eye size. You always want to measure the lashes, and if they are a little bit longer, you want to make sure you cut them at the specific size for your eye shape. So last thing that you're gonna need is gonna be mascara. So I usually like a fuller mascara, something that's just gonna really just blend in with the falsies. Okay, so let's get started. So here I'm kind of seeing how much I need to cut. The end of my eye is right here, so if I were to just leave the lash like this, 1, it's gonna bother me, and 2, it's gonna droop my eye downwards. So you want to make sure you cut it, and I'm gonna cut about this much here. Okay, I feel like the trick is to come from above. So if you see kind of going like this, you can see your lashes. A lot of people, even myself, when I first started doing the lash application, I would always come and try to do like this, and it's so hard because your lashes get in the way. So what you want to do is go ahead and reach over and above, and you also want to have a mirror with you and looking down at it. I'm going to be using my Tweezerman tweezers.
I'm gonna just use my fingers because the tweezers apparently have glue.
You're basically aiming at an angle of the lashes, so like this, like that. You can see you don't want to have space in between here, so that's why you want to come and like really put it as close as you can to the lashes. In the front, what you want to make sure is that it's about a pinky nail size away from your inner corner. So if you put it any closer to here, it's going to irritate your eye and it won't stay. Sure, if you are trimming your lashes, that you go ahead and trim from the outside. I'm going to go ahead and cut here about 2 chunks. There we go. So it's right at the end of the eye there. Okay, when it's cut, I would put glue on it. So I'm gonna go in with the House of Lashes glue. and I would let this dry and get tacky while I cut the other lash and also put glue on it. By the time I come back, it's gonna be nice and tacky and it'll just perfectly go on. Prior to doing all of this, I had already applied eyeliner at my lash line here and also at the bottom, so you want to make sure that you do that. So my lashes are already pretty dry, pretty tacky, almost ready to put on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara. You want to make sure you get the root of the lash and swoop up. I always tell clients, I'm like, this is kind of like when you tease your hair, so you do it at the root, right? So you want to get the root of the lash so it lifts and it goes up, and then you could do some at the bottom. This is the Smashbox Super Fan Mascara. Okay, so now that my eyelash is pretty dry already, and you could already see it, it turns kind of bluish. I'm gonna go ahead and again, you want to go ahead and hold your mirror and you want to look down at it, and you're going over and on top, and you're going at an angle, aiming at the middle, right on top of your eyelashes, not on your skin, so you can see it's right on there, and it's right in the middle. So now I'm gonna go ahead and just adjust the sides. Okay, and that's gonna dry right now, so it won't look blue. So you want to make sure that it's super close to the lashes, not on the skin, but on top of the lashes. And then as they're drying, I like to kind of press them together with my nails. You could use your tweezers. There's lash applicators also. You want to make sure there's no separation or skin showing through this area. So, see how it's perfect right where it ends, like the little lash end. There's one nail, one finger, pinky nail distance away from the inner corners. Look at the difference. Lash, no lash. What do you guys think? Lashes or no lashes? I think we need that little sprinkle.
It's so good. And then my happens.
That was my lash application video. I hope you guys learned some stuff. I feel like the stuff to take away the most is the angle that you're going at, and also you're applying the lashes at. So make sure you're going at an angle and going right on top so you're not going straight. And then let the glue dry. Also, like, measuring it. Some eyes I've done makeup where like they don't need to adjust or cut anything to the lashes. They just have bigger eye shapes, you know. So just make sure that you have the right eye shape, the right measurement, and have that pinky nail distance away. And yeah, you guys should definitely try out the altitude lashes. They're bomb. I could not tell you, I'll probably reuse them like 10 to 15 times. If you guys get your makeup done, I'm actually upgrading, and I'm gonna include altitude lashes with my service, so you get free lashes with the service. And again, these lashes you could reuse up to like 10-15 times, and they're bomb. When you look to the side, they look like double. They look like double and mink and fluffy. They're so bomb, so you guys should try them. And yeah, thanks for watching.